Story time! Kung nakinig ka sa SONA ni Pangulong Marcos kahapon, isa sa kanyang mga sinusulong ay ang financial literacy. Pero ano nga ba ang financial literacy at gaano ito kaimportante? Especially kung ako ay isang OFW or may kamag-anak akong OFW. But first, what is financial literacy? By definition, financial literacy is the ability to understand how money works in order for you to make the right and smart decision with your hard-earned money. Kaya ako isa kang OFW for more than 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years ka na abroad. Napaka-importanting malaman mo ang financial literacy at aralin mo ang financial education. At alam mo ba, isa sa mga kumpanyang nagtuturo ng financial literacy ay ang IMG, International Marketing Group. For more than 20 years, IMG is teaching Filipino families